guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. So today I am going to be DIYing this mirror. So I put some paint on it. As you can see, I didn't paint it properly. Bling bling over it, guys. You not laughing at me?
No, this is what the guy doing.
So guys, so yeah, let's get into
Being our assistants, not assisting.
guys. We're gonna use today for this project. We're gonna be using the hot glue gun, you know, my favorite, and some glitter. You know, when we're using the gun, we have to work fast. So here we go. Here I go. Right, here we go. We're doing this together.
Peace controlled by me.
And yeah, my cameraman is my son.
Camera boy, I'm cameraman. Haha.
Don't be a hater. That's the other one. Player 18. They
I'm
do
not
that.
hating, I'm just saying facts.
They do that a lot, guys. Don't know why. I guess it's a sibling thing, eh? Crazy. So in.
Where are you recording the mirror?
He's recording what I'm doing.
Oh. Because if he was recording the mirror, they would have seen me destroy somebody.
Bling bling.
Bling bling, who's holding the camera?
Okay.
It's Ming Ming!
You see, my son's making tunes, mate.
Ming
Bling,
always
who's
wins.
holding the camera? Ming Ming!
Ming around on time. It's not a crime. We ain't got no time. Because we're making things shine.
Oh yeah, that's good. I like that.
You like that song?
Yeah, I like that a lot.
How I'm tasting it. That was a burn here. I think we've got a problem here. This paint thingy.
Runs out real quick.
I don't even think it's paint. I'm gonna have to ask Soya what is that. So yeah, guys, the gun. You have to make sure you don't use too much and use it fast. Yep. So one more thing.
So guys, this is fun. What my mom's doing. I know it, even though I'm not.
Guys, don't forget to like and share and subscribe.
Come on,
We're
guys.
trying to get
remember
to
the
4,000.
video. Mom's trying to get to 4,000. Well, she's trying to get to 3,000. But I'm gonna push the goal up. Make it for Sky. Can we stop, please?
Mom's recording. My son's raising the bar, mate.
Hey.
I lie. Raise the bars for mother. See my son there.
Just take the old one down here. Okay, that's fine.
Whoa. We don't want that. We want it straight. We want it straight. Straight. So guys, we're gonna cut it now, yes.
I'm mega tired.
I hope it's not short. Could have been a bit longer. That's the glue lifting. So I'm gonna pull it. Now let's see. I think I'm gonna have to add one more bit to the end. I might double the end still. One down.
Man down.
Them say man down, but me say one down.
One down.
One down.
Hey.
Look on the mirror now. Oh, it just says shiny, shiny. So guys, we haven't got enough. So I've added like a bit of a different bit to this, to the middle or to the inner bit. So we're going to be doing the same for the bottom. So let's start now again. I try to connect straight away. I'm going to lift that because I want it to be at the top of it. Let's see. So now, oh, I'm crying out loud, mate. So now we're going to do side and side going down. And then stick it on like that. Behave yourself.
I didn't do anything.
I'm so used to it.
Guys, when you have children, I know you've got your hands full in it, mate. Oh. And you know in England as well,
It's so warm.
on your ones, mate.
Mum, I'll show you something after the video.
Okay, so
Oh,
alright,
it's really exciting. I told you.
Done.
now doing the top bit.
Sorry.
So we're gonna stick it on. Bam bam. It's already got some sticky bits on it, but I'm gonna apply a bit of hot glue. So it's holding properly. I remember see one paint feeling like that. Never seen that in this school. Make sure you get it in a straight line across. I bet you never gonna put it on the mirror. That paint. We can really just leave the mirror how it was.
And yes, I said it.
Oh, gotta make it work.
One can see you looking at me.
I was looking at you. I said it. I said it. I said it.
I said it. I said it.
Okay, guys, one more piece and we're done.
I said it. I'm done.
Put my hands in my
Well, as soon as one goes down, you look at me.
Sorry.
Excuses, huh? Excuses.
Oh. God, my tummy rumbling.
Isn't it?
Can you hear it, mate?
No.
Mary chicken.
Wait, what did you just say? No chicken?
Mary chicken.
Oh, no chicken. Was that some sort of beat-up word from Miracle? It's a mirror chicken. It actually happened.
Ow. So, now, I'm going to have to dress up these bits by doing this.
It's a mirror, silly. You ever heard of it?
Like that.
Go!
The glue's applying.
Just come.
So guys, I'm just using it to seal the sides because
The video's dog minute.
wait, I'm coming. I need to finish the other side. Oh. So guys, we're coming up to the end. Guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Guys, we're trying to hit that 4,000. Oh, I said 3. My son said it's going to raise the bars for me. So we're looking to hit 4. And guys, thank you for my new subscribers. Guys, we appreciate you all.
When I was
Guys, if we hit it, I'm going to make one of these. A smaller one. And I'll ship it.
giveaway.
Yes, guys. I will ship it to wherever you guys are in the world. One of my masterpiece.
Wait, what?
Holy crowley. Crowley.
Where's the last weapon detectable football?
Boop, boop,
Oh, that's fine.
boop, boop, boop.
Can you not?
So guys, that's how it's looking. We're gonna clean the mirror.
Oh yes,
That's how it's looking. I think it's looking dope. If you ask me, and you know it's my production, so I'm gonna say that. I'm gonna see if there's anything else I could have had. But I think it's alright that is. Or maybe if I want, I could go right around it. Adding this. I'll just look around it, man. It looks good.
Nah, not really.
Not really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't kick me. When you criticise someone's work, then kick me, no?
So I'm going like a punk, man.
What do you mean, man? I was being the
What
cheek.
about it
I said
here?
it doesn't look that good.
What about it there?
It looks decent.
I think I'm going to drop it there, and I know
Guys,
I'm going to drop it there.
comment
Guys,
if you
what do
think it. Comment what you think.
I think
If
I'm gonna
it's
drop
Which
it
one
there.
they rate it better than your own
Yeah.
son?
I can take it. If not, I'm going to take it off, guys. Wait, just give me a hot second. I'm measuring that off. Not a hot minute, I need a hot. Almost finished one. I think I'm gonna actually need to run it straight across the city. I think this actually just completes it, really. That's what I think. Don't think, as you said, are important to us all the time. And we're getting ready for Christmas. I'm going to put the other one at the other side. I think it looks really good. But you know, as I said, my work. I think it looks good. You feel me?
Like we're just gonna line it, like flatten it, pound,
You mean?
straighten it, as in like, you know, flatten.
Alright, so you got rate. Give us some ratings on this one. Which one you think's better? This one or the first one?
Didn't you already rip that up?
What?
Like that? That string?
No, yeah, because I'm doing both ends. You see? You can't just do one.